today I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve issues you might have with Minecraft in Windows. So specifically, if you're noticing you're having display issues, like for example, if you're opening up the application and unfortunately you're not able to play a successful game or it's crashing frequently, in this brief tutorial I'll be walking you guys through how to hopefully resolve common Minecraft errors you might be having. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to pretty much just jump right into it here. So we're going to start by heading over to the start menu, and we're going to type in device manager. Should be listed as the best match, so you want to left click on that. Versus display adapters, left click on the little drop down arrow on the left side. Right click whenever display adapter is listed here, and then left click on update driver software. You can also go online and search up this driver, and then instead of automatically scanning for it, if there's a newer version you find online, you can left click on browse my computer for driver software and then manually insert it in. If you're curious as to what version of the driver you're currently running, if you simply right click on the driver software, left click on properties again, and then you go up to the driver tab at the top, it'll tell you the driver version right here. So it's easy enough to find if you're running the most up-to-date version or not. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.